front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, you need to access Calendar app by clicking on it. Now choose this icon at the bottom right corner and select Got it. Following that, you need to tap on the month above. Over here, pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and then click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now select event and adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Now pick starting hour or ending one over here. If you wish to disable this feature completely, you can also do that by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now tap on does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. Now you can add people, add videos, choose add location here, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. Now set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, change color of your event and even take notes and add attachments. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to edit it, tap on it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then choose Save again. Now you need to click on this event or all events and tap on Save. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on this icon with three dots at the top right corner, select Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up by choosing one of those options and clicking on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!